Hi there, my name is Derek and welcome to GamerBody. In my previous video, I went over 10 different items that I use in my home fitness training. Some I use more than others, and today I want to cover really the top 5 of those items that I use religiously and also use for more than one specific exercise that you can look into buying for your home gym. These 5 pieces of home equipment are really the items I would purchase first when attempting to start working out from home. So without waiting around, let's jump into what the 5 items are. Starting off at my favorite piece of home fitness equipment that I've ever purchased is the Core Fitness adjustable dumbbells. Now note, you can get any pair of adjustable dumbbells, I really don't care. Some do go up to something like 100 pounds, like the Yes For All dumbbells that I do have a review on. But for starting out, and if you're new, the Core Fitness dumbbells are perfect and really the only ones I think anyone should really start with. With the current virus going around, they are extremely expensive. So wait until the price drops. Maybe you look into another brand until then. But I paid around $325 for these a couple of years back, almost 2.5 to 3 years now. But just note that the normal price of these before the whole virus started was around $225, which is well worth the price if you're looking to start a home gym. The compact design of these dumbbells saves so much space. They fit in my little closet and really don't take up any room. They're very simple to use. You just put them in a cradle and turn the handle to go up and down 5 pounds. You can't really ask for a better system than this, and that's why they stand out as one of my favorite pieces of equipment I've ever purchased for my home gym. Moving on, and a supplement to the Core Fitness dumbbells is the Fitness Reality adjustable bench. Now remember, you can pick any adjustable bench. This is just the one I personally own and was a decent price on Amazon at the time of purchase. The bench allows you to take dumbbells really to the next level, as you can enhance your total exercise selection when doing your home fitness training. Now no, I really don't change up my exercises all that often. What I do is I do like that same exercise with a different variation. For example, something like an overhead press, I might use the adjustable bench to do seated overhead press. So something as simple as that can change the overall results you're getting, as when you're sitting and have your back kind of supported, you are putting more shoulders into the movement as your legs are not assisting as much when doing the pressing. So it's things like this that can help enhance your workouts, and that is why I put the adjustable bench so high on this list for home fitness gym equipment. Next up, we have the U-Powex resistance bands. Now, as of shooting this video, these bands exploded on my channel for the review I did. I'm not sure why they went so high. I guess it's because when the virus went out, everyone was looking for home fitness equipment, and this one easily jumped to the #1 most viewed review on my channel. But just note, these resistance bands are awesome. Now, I've been seeing a lot of white label or other similar products online that you can purchase. I just know that I verified these and they work great. Another good brand would be the What If It resistance bands, which I just did a 30-day review on from shooting that video. Everything with these bands are awesome, and I use them each and every week in my training. Sometimes I use them to supplement in for my exercises, such as overhead pressing, because I want to protect my shoulders. I've had shoulder issues in the past, and dumbbells can be also hard to get up into the starting position, so I like to use them for that type of exercise. And then I also like to use them for corrections, such as pull-aparts, face pulls, and other things like that in my trainings. Also, these are relatively cheap, so if you need something to start out with right away and you want to save on a bit of money, the resistance bands are probably the best bet in terms of providing the most amount of exercises that you can do total body and saving you money in the long run. Now, our second to last item is going to be the Perfect Fitness multi-gym doorway pull-up bar, and it's the Pro Edition. Now, if you did watch my previous video, I did mention that I just purchased the Elite version, and that is still coming. It hasn't gotten here yet, but I will be doing a review of the Elite version of this product when it arrives in hopefully a week or so. But with that being said, the Pro version of this pull-up bar is by far my favorite I've ever used of all time. The product does what you want it to do. It is a doorway pull-up bar that is sturdy, helps protect your frame and walls, and just does the job without feeling like you're gonna go crashing to the floor. Now, I do add additional weight using my Core Fitness dumbbells and a backpack for this, so just know at 185 pounds, I am still scaling up using a backpack in order to do so with this doorway pull-up bar. And the fifth and final item that I would purchase if I was just starting over with my home gym is the Lebert Fitness Equalizer's dip bar station, and I have the XL size dip bar station. Now, being on the pricier side, this might be a little hard to swallow at first, but just note there are a lot of things you could do with this product. You could actually do really a total body training except for your lower body. So really an upper body, full body training. But just know you can get some great results by just using this product if you were just starting out and was focusing on calisthenics. I primarily use it for things like dips and inverted rows, but there's a lot more you could do. You could do like bodyweight bicep curls, overhead tricep extensions with it, many other things, L-sits. There's a lot of exercises you can throw in there to, again, improve your calisthenics training and get better and stronger with your body. And now we have a bonus. So if you want to really take it to the next level by taking your core fitness dumbbells and then also adding body weight that can scale, I would recommend you look into getting some type of backpack. Now, I personally use the Bullet 16 backpack for this. What I do is I take the core fitness dumbbells, I take them apart so they have separate plates that you can just take apart and each are 5 pounds, and I throw them into the backpack, zip it up, lock the chest and waist strap, and I'm good to go. I love this backpack specifically because it has the chest and waist strap. Otherwise, with my other backpacks, the weight can actually fall away from your back if you're doing something like pull-ups and your chest is going up to the bar. It actually comes off your lower back. I didn't want that happening. I wanted the weight to stay with my body, so that is why a chest and waist strap was so important for me with that purchase. However, whatever backpack you have might just work fine. I just prefer having the waist and chest strap for myself. The order that you purchase these really depends on finances, unfortunately. So if I had all the money in the world, I would 100% go with the core fitness dumbbells. And if I had all the money in the world, I'll buy them right now. But they're like $1,000 on Amazon, which is incredibly high. So wait for that to drop. There again are other brands, so the Yes for All are a good solution. The only thing is they don't have that turn handle that I'm looking for to make things simple and easy, but they do go up to 100 pounds in each dumbbell, so that could be a huge plus for you depending on your skill level and how big and strong you want to get over time. And that's just me. You might not have the kind of funds right now, so if you want, you could go with the resistance bands to start, kind of get the whole body strength, and save up for the other items, such as the pull-up bars probably would go from next, then maybe the dip bar, then maybe to your core fitness dumbbells, and then lastly would be the bench, because there's no point in having dumbbells without a bench, in my opinion. And that is it for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. It was kind of an extension of the last video, but I wanted to kind of explain the ones I really use each and every week, all those pieces of equipment that have at least 2 exercises or more in my training, and again, are used each and every week for my fitness results. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe to GamerBody for more videos just like this one. Also, make sure you head over to GamerBody.com. There you can check out my current training program, all the equipment I currently own and use. Yes, all the ones I talked about in this video are probably there right now if you check it out today. And the resources I use to learn to build muscle, burn body fat, and gain confidence, all from the comfort of home. And that's it. So again, please like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.